Hey guys, TheCascadeHiker here, and I'm in Gresham, Oregon, and I just wanted to give you guys a weather warning. So tomorrow, there's supposed to be snow and freezing rain, I think maybe some sleet, but it's supposed to be pretty nasty. Hey guys, it is now the day of the storm, and it is about 9:30, and it just now started snowing. It literally just now started with tiny little flutters, just tiny little flakes, and it's just now starting to pick up. It is now snowing a bit harder than it was earlier. You can clearly see the snowflakes now. It's dry snow as usual. That's like all we get around here. But it is, it's staying for the moment, but we'll see how long this little, I don't know what to call it, I guess squall, even though it's not. But we'll just see how long it lasts. The street has a little bit on it, not too much. Driveway is starting to get a little bit on it. There was a lot of it right there. The wind just blew it across the road. See that streak there? But yeah, so it is getting a bit harder. We'll see what happens.
Right here in Troutdale, Oregon, with the big snowstorm they say is coming up. It's 12:20 and around 30-ish degrees. The lawn furniture is all broken because of the wind. The wind is getting annoying, I think. The snow's starting to pile up on the ground. It's starting to get a little slippery. My dog over there is turning white. See all the snow in the air.
Hey guys, the snow is sticking a lot more now, and as you can see, it's picked up a bunch. So right now, it is sticking to the bark dust, it is starting to stick to the grass, and as you can see, the driveway is like covered, the road is starting to get snow in it, but yeah, it is like, it's getting worse. Hey guys, it is now 1 o'clock. It's about 30 degrees outside. As you can see, the snow is definitely... Ooh. Wind is blowing the snow around. The snow has definitely picked up.
Okay, right now it is 1:30 and the snow is piling up a little more. The wind is still pretty bad. You can see still snowflakes in the air. Last I checked, it was 29 degrees out. That was 10 minutes ago.
So we see this mat. Earlier it wasn't covered, but now it is. You can kind of see how deep it is by looking at these cracks here. There's snow on people's roofs, snow in the trees. It's sticking to the grass a bit more now, but it's mostly just sticking to like wood and metal or glass, you know, but not so much the grass. So here we are at a different angle, so you can see down the road here. There's a bunch of snow over there. Down there, our garden has got a bunch of snow in it now. This patio down here has a bunch of snow. The deck has snow. That's where I was just looking, is over here. And then the rest of the yard has a bit of snow. I'll probably end up going out in it eventually. So now I'll go look at the front. So the front, oh man, the front is definitely worse than the back. As you can see, the grass has a lot more snow in it than the back does. The bark dust is basically covered with snow now. Sorry, this is through the bug screen kind of stuff, so I don't know if I'll be able to get it to focus or not. But as you can see, there's actually snow on these leaves here now, and there wasn't earlier. At the driveway, those tire marks from earlier, gone. The street, as you can see, road conditions are a lot worse. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like outside. As you can see, I've already made some footprints. You know, I walk in this stuff and it goes away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk here around the yard. As you can see, it's kind of a powdery texture. If I can get it to focus. It's hard doing this with gloves. See, like that, you can kind of see it. Kind of crumbles, you know, like a graham cracker, I guess. I don't really know what else to call it. See, now it doesn't want to focus. That's really annoying, because there's only so many times that I'm gonna get to see stuff like this. So I'm gonna walk over here in the bark dust. You know, it's kind of thick here. It doesn't leave too much of a footprint over here, at least. You see? It's kind of deep. But yeah, this is what it looks like outside. I'll go in the driveway now. Yeah, it's not too bad, but you know, it's obviously not the best either. I'm making a popping noise when I walk. Like I'm stepping on balloons or something. So that's what it looks like out in the front yard. Alright guys, I'm now gonna go out back. See, so we're gonna go up here on the deck. It's fairly thick up here. And here. Already got a fan down there. Another patio. Alright, let's go to the main backyard. first we'll go to the patio. Got a fan here. They were standing right there. Yeah, fairly thick. But it's pretty good out here, you know, like, I mean, it's a lot of snow. So now to the actual backyard. You know, you step in it, it pretty much all goes down. You know, you pat it down when you walk. See? The bird feeder section. It's not too thick here. The gardens. No idea where that... Oh wait, that cup was from like a little tea set thingy. It's a decoration. I guess we forgot to take it in. Oh well. We got these. Forgot. I think those were tomatoes or something. But anyway, these were peppers. Anyways, so the main yard. Not too horrible, I guess. Here's the gate from the first episode or video or whatever. This is the front yard entrance thingy. So I was standing out here for the first video. But yeah, that's basically it. Hey guys, the snow has pretty much stopped for now. Now it's, it looks like stuff is still coming down, but when I just went outside, and when I was out there, when I was out there, it started being freezing rain instead of snow. It was kind of a combo of snow and freezing rain, so the roads will probably be even worse now. So just to let you guys know, be careful out there. It might continue as freezing rain for quite a while, but I don't know, because obviously I can't predict the weather. I'm just standing here in the house. But that's all for now, guys. You can barely see in the street light that I think there's some freezing rain coming down right now, but for the snow, it's basically over. The lights look really pretty in the snow, though. Should probably get some pictures of that before it gets too dark, you know. But yeah, hopefully everybody is safe and sound and warm. And I hope everybody is having a good day, you know. Fun in the snow.
Okay, right now it is 9 o'clock. I do not know the temperature, but I do know it was freezing rain all night long. The roads are glass. It's amazing.
Hey guys, I'm currently in Gresham, Oregon, and it is now 31 degrees out. It's about 9:30 a.m. And as you can see, look kind of the same as yesterday, you know, but not exactly. All night, the weathermen were actually wrong. It didn't warm up last night, and it continued to be freezing rain all night long. So what we got this morning is a bunch of icicles everywhere, and everything is just covered with ice. Hey guys, Cascade Hiker here in Gresham, Oregon, and well, we just got woken up by a not so pleasant sound. What happened is suddenly we just heard a like kind of a buzz sound. It was like bzzz. So I look out the window, and literally you can't see it because it's pitch black in my video, but you remember from my daytime videos, you got the trees in the driveway. Literally, the street light right across the street, the transformer on that just blew up a couple minutes ago. We read on PGE, Portland General Electric site, that it's affecting nearly 3,000 people. The exact number was 2,965. And it just happened that the transformer that blew up was literally right across the street from our house. How convenient, right? Here at Lewis and Clark Park, the ground is very icy, and you've got to like stomp basically just to get around without tripping. And it is beautiful out here. Everything's white instead of green. I like it.